Welcome, students. Today we're going to explore the world of clauses. Clauses are the building blocks of sentences, and understanding them can help you become a better writer and communicator. First, let's define what a clause is. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a predicate. The subject is the noun or pronoun that performs the action, while the predicate is the verb and any objects or modifiers. There are two main types of clauses, independent and dependent. Independent clauses can stand alone as a complete sentence, while dependent clauses need an independent clause to make sense. Independent clauses are like complete thoughts. They have a subject and a predicate, and they can stand alone as a sentence. For example, I went to the store is an independent clause because it has a subject, I, and a predicate, went to the store. Dependent clauses, on the other hand, are like incomplete thoughts. They have a subject and a predicate, but they can't stand alone as a sentence. They need an independent clause to complete their meaning. For example, because I needed milk, is a dependent clause because it has a subject, I, and a predicate, needed milk, but it can't stand alone as a sentence. Let's look at some examples of sentences with clauses. I went to the store because I needed milk, has an independent clause, I went to the store, and a dependent clause because I needed milk. The dependent clause because I needed milk can't stand alone as a sentence, but it adds meaning to the independent clause, I went to the store. Understanding clauses can help you express yourself more effectively in writing and speaking. By combining independent and dependent clauses, you can create complex sentences that convey your ideas more clearly. So, remember, clauses are the building blocks of sentences, and understanding them can help you become a better communicator. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at creating sentences with clauses.